So good day everyone, we are Group G and today we'll be discussing about our recent skills demonstration practical activity. So we're gonna explain the mistakes that we have made in the practical practical activity. So let's start off with problem number one in scenario one. So in scenario one, the only problem for us was we didn't, or I didn't, uh, include the final expression in front of the paper. But our overall truth table from the circuit that was given to us, which was consisted with not B and non BC, uh, A or C, then the non BC and A plus C. So this has a plus on it. Yeah, A and C. So the only mistakes I had was I forgot to write it in front of the paper. So that counted as zero because I overheard the instructions. So next.
And to my part as a guide, so my mistake is that I did not tell to Mr. Yoleda that he need to input or write the final expression into beside of the truth table.
Proceeding to the round 3, ang mistake namin na nagawa is hindi namin napagana ang breadboard. Naitama namin or na-modify yung naging equation, pero yung aming naging uh, yun sa pagpapailaw dun sa breadboard, yung kanilang naging output is mali dahil naging faulty yung aming switch or deep switch dahil sa resistor, dahil loosen yung resistor. Nang malaman namin yung pagkatapos lamang ng aming activity or dun sa skills demonstration, doon namin nalaman na yun nga yung resistor yung faulty na i-demonstrate naman yung manalo para naitama na yung naging error dun sa breadboard.
So, ngayon naman guys is explain ko yung about sa aming breadboard. So, gaya naman ng sinabi ni Saison, gumagana naman po yung gawa namin, yung circuit namin, ang problema lang is yung isa naming resistor, which is hindi nagpa-function ng properly. So, ito, papakita po. So, bali dito, may, ewan ko nakikita, pero naka 110 siya. Tama, naka 110 siya na nakalagay sa truth table naman na may truth table na pag 110 is equal to 1. So, try natin yung 111 kung ilaw nga. Tapos you can see umiilaw naman siya. So, try tayo ng add. Diba? Gawin naman natin yung 0, 0. So, yan. Makikita nyo sa 0, 0. Still, hindi na siya umiilaw kasi nga 0 yung output nun. Sa last is try natin yung 0, 1, 1. So, yun nga, naka 0, 1, 1. And, makikita naman na talagang gumagana siya. Ang naging problema lang talaga namin is yung about sa resistor. Hindi siya nagpa-function ng maayos. So, yun lang.
So dito, balik naman tayo dito sa hindi ko pala na-present kanina. Yung sa circuit na pinagbasehan sa akin, yung pinagbasehan ko, yung binigay sa amin ni Sir Gumbok. So, ito yung main circuit na yun, yung naka-OR, NAND, AND, tsaka, ayun, naka-NOT. So, ayun, ang kulang ko lang talaga is, hindi ko nakalimutan ko ilagay itong expression na A NOT plus B NOT, B and C, NAND, So yun, nakalimutan ko lang talaga siyang ilagay sa harap, and yung guide ko rin nakalimutan din, honest mistake niya rin na na-overlook niya yung instructions. So yun yung ah, error dun sa first part, which is yung kailangan ipakita yung truth table.